Hello. So, I thought I'm gonna make you a little update of what's going on. Don't mind all the spots and everything and so on. I've been doing some removals of tar from the said 242. So yeah, I have been doing a lot of work on the 242 currently, purely because I don't have anything else to do. So yeah, just go to the unit and play around. So yep, turn you around. Yes, took all the tar and everything what's underneath, all the whatever they put on it, like bitumens and shit. And I'm gonna have to clean everything up and so on. And then I've been cleaning this, welded up some rust spots and everything. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I'm gonna clean it up and make work. Loads of holes filled up and so on. Yeah, you've seen it on the rotisserie. It's upside down now. Thanks to Jason. He's been Jason that got me a chance to get this little place. He's a fucking legend. Yes, Jason, thank you. He's probably watching this now and telling me, "Oh, Adam, why are you talking about me?" But it got to be done. It's got to be done, and that's it. No questions asked. Yeah, so I've been cleaning this up, all the shit parts and everything, to see how bad the rust is, and it's not that bad. There's like a couple of spots here and so on. The other side is a bit better, a bit worse, because the floor pan is falling out. But it's not that bad. I mean, it's only 250 mil in, and it stops. So if I replace that, rust proof it, rust treat it, and that's it. As you can see, all the inner arches and everything are done. It might get changed when I get the subframe and stuff, but yeah, it's not bad. It's looking really good. The inside is actually, we have light. Yeah, I've cleaned up the inside, or taken all the sound deadening off, welded some holes and everything that I cut with the spot weld cutter, cleaned up, yeah, it is looking good. It's nice. I like it. Found some massive spots of rust in the back. Where is it? Over there. There's a hole. I'm gonna have to kind of do that. And there's another couple of holes there and there. One side, I think, where the passenger seat belts go in. That needs to be done. Over there, yeah. But that's just little patch, and it's gonna be all done. Apart from this, it's not that bad. It's progressing really, really, really well. I invested in a massive bottle of argon gas, well, argon mix. So that's probably gonna last me a year. Make sure it's locked away. And here we go. Just oh yeah, if you need to take all the sound deadening and tar and everything that's there, use some gas, like a blowtorch, and a multi-tool. It does a really, really good job. And then after that, you just go in with this. I don't know how you call it. It just removes all the paint and filler and everything else. Oh yeah, that's my injury for today. Managed to grind my nail off with a grinder. It'll grow back. But yeah, apart from that, I think I'm making really good progress. I never in my life thought I'm gonna have my own project car like this. It just looks ridiculous. Wow. Thank you, Jason. You are a star in a reasonably priced. I don't know what you're driving these days. Something. But yeah. Absolutely loving it. Considering, next month, this car and me gonna celebrate 45 years together. Hand in hand, This is ridiculous. Oh yeah, this 350Z. I'm waiting for a guy to ring me back when he gets another 350Z for parts. And I'm taking all the hubs, rear hubs, bearing carriers, suspension arms and everything. And I'm going to mount it on this. And then we're going to add it to the 242. And I'm also allowed to cut the 350Z's chassis rails where it mounts to the subframe over there. And I'm going to add it to the 242 and see how far we're going to have to go. And I shit you not, it is around not even 100 mil to play around with. It's very, very, very close. So yeah, I'll keep you posted, and thank you for watching. Oh yeah, subscribe, like, comment, this, that, the other. Yes, please. See you later, bye-bye.